What is up, guys? So today we are going to Jimmy's. I have to drop off my kit and everything. I got a head gasket kit, which is over here. I got a head gasket kit from ECS Tuning, a timing belt kit, and piston rings that are going over to Jimmy's so that we could rebuild this E30, because as you guys all know, the E30 blew up, so we're just doing a full motor rebuild. We should, I kind of missed the E30 because I got wheels and everything for it. We redid all the suspension, so it's a great cruiser car, so I'm excited to get the thing back. It's my daily too. I don't want to keep on putting miles on this thing every day, and this thing eats up gas, so we're gonna head to Jimmy's, put all this stuff in there, and then head on our way. Also, I want to know if you guys want to see this wrap get away, because it's so crazy looking, but I'm not too worried about it right now because I'm gonna redo it anyway. But what do you guys think I should do on the other side of the car, or should I just do like wrap the whole car the same thing? I don't know. Post in the comments below, let me know, guys. I want to know what you guys think what I should do with the V. The reason why we're taking the V is because it's making a weird like clunky noise in the drivetrain if I shift it like too fast, so we're gonna go get that checked out. Hopefully it's just something like a bolt loose or something. I don't hope it's not in the trans. It's in the trans. I'm going to be very angry.
Hey, what's up YouTube? We're here with A&A Photography and Pajama Bear sweatpants, and we're about to run into a little Subaru. You know, gotta get that action. Gotta get that action. They got hella stickers on their car. They must be with something. They don't want that action. They don't want that action, bro. Back in action, Crazy Chris. Back in action. Anthony with his mocha soy latte. Yeah, buddy. Extra Homo sapien. And me with an American coffee.
Alright guys, so basically we made it to Jimmy's. As you can see, we got the V on the lift. Are you zooming in my face? You crazy guy, you. My V was making like a crazy noise. I had to bring Jimmy some parts anyway, so 2-for-1 special here, but pretty sure it's the drive shaft flange was loose from when I got the clutch done. So we're gonna see if we tighten that up, and hopefully we can fix that noise.
Bro, what did you say? There's a...
Where's the crazy noise?
Right up in this little dingleberry.
Whoa, dude, do you see what's happening in my car?
Bust it! Bust it! Shine! Bust it! Yeah, do the backflip, bro. Holy sh**. How did you do that?
Alright guys, so if you guys are trying to go fast this summer, Jimmy he's got some deals on some turbos, so if you want to go, look at that baby, look at that.
You said that's a 26 millimeter?
26 millimeter, 26. Anyway, if you guys want to get some turbos, hit up JW Speed Factory on Instagram or on Facebook. Links will be in the description. We're about to go get some food. I'm glad it's just the drive shaft because the V's taking all my freaking money and I'm just getting angry. But yeah, hopefully we're gonna have the E30 back here soon, guys. We're waiting on the piston rings. We got the water pump, the timing belt, and fresh new set of gaskets, guys. So the E30 is gonna be completely redone. We're gonna have a nice little day then. Hopefully Jimmy's gonna fix the cluster for us. But right now, we're going to go check out Jimmy and his plane, because every time we come here, we gotta do plane video. Like, really. So we got the exhaust unhooked and we're starting to work on the drive shaft. We think the noise is coming from the drive shaft. Well, that's what Jimmy thinks it is. Bro, what are you doing, dude?
I'm just fixing your tire, bro.
Oh, go ahead. But he re-drilled like a little cradle for the drive shaft bolts. So we're gonna tighten the drive shaft was super loose. All the bolts came out with just this little guy. So that's probably one of the causes of it to like, they probably just loosened up over time and started to rattle. But now we're gonna tighten them up, put some Loctite on them, and then they got the little cradle to sit in now. So hopefully that fixes the little clickety clank clank clunk clunk. Right? Got the little grooves in there now, so they sit a little bit better. Recessed. They're recessed. But hopefully it doesn't make the noise anymore. We're gonna put this exhaust, or we don't need to put the exhaust on yet, right?
I think we should just. I know it's gonna work.
We could just leave it there and just not really worry about it. We probably drive down the road like this.
Dude.
Yeah, we put some little rolly wheels from
Fireball.
Yeah. Who's that coming down the ladder?
Santa Claus.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm just over here pulling lines around.
Alright guys, so I think Jimmy got it all fixed. It doesn't like really clunk way too hard now. I mean, there's a few other things you gotta do with the car, but I want to say thanks to JW Speed Factory. Go check them out, links all in the description. And then what do we got here? New project coming up, guys. We're gonna have a video on this pretty soon as well, but comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So we were on the way home, all happy and dandy, and this car is a piece of shit. I was driving and I just started feeling like I was giving it a little bit like I was in 6th gear, just tapping the throttle because it was feeling like kind of not clunky, but everything on the drive shaft end was doing good. Sorry, there's hella mosquitoes. But it started overheating and I was like, what the hell? So we popped the hood and yeah, this pulley is completely done. It sheared off the whole assembly and that's not good at all, guys. Jimmy is on his way. He's gonna come check this out and maybe we can get this thing fixed. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have another car. The Beam's like my second car, so don't buy a V1, guys.
Yeah, the mosquitoes out here are kind of crazy because we're in like a marshland full of that stuff. All right, so we're gonna get Jimmy's reaction. Anthony's. Yeah, so God.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.